Hi, my name is Jorge Moreno. I'm from Malaga, Spain, and in this video I'm going to show you my Cs50 final project with an e-commerce called Nature Clothes, using languages like HTML, Python, Sql and Css. As I guess you can view the home page and send messages to the admin in this form. So let's send a message. The subject will be Cs50. The email will be email.com, and the content will be this is a message to the admin. You can also search for products, let's say shoes, and add one item if we click here. Or we can see the product, let's say this is cap, and add two of them. Now let's add more items to our cart. Now, if we click in our cart, we can see all our items. We can increase or decrease the number of items if we use these arrows, or we can eliminate a product altogether. But if we try to buy these products, we can't, because we need to have a user account. So let's create a user account. The username will be Joe, the email will be joe@email.com, and that's it. We are logging. Now let's try to buy these products again. But we can't, because we need to have an address in order to send the products. So let's introduce a new address. Now, if we go back to the cart, we can't buy the products. And it sends you to a new tab called History, where we can see all the products that we have purchased. But what happens if we want to introduce a new product in our e-commerce? Well, we need to use the admin account. So let's log out and log in. And now we go to the Products tab, and here we can see all the products that we already have in our e-commerce and introduce a new one. So let's introduce a new product. The name will be jacket. We're going to use this picture. The description will be this is a nice jacket, and the price will be $30. So now we have our new product in our e-commerce, but we can modify the product. So let's change the price. The price will be $50. And now if we go to the index page, we can find our product with a new price. The admin can't buy any product, so if we go to history, what we will see is all the products purchased in this website, including that from Joe. And the last feature, if we go to messages, we can see that one that we sent at the beginning of this video. Well, I hope you liked my final project, and thanks for watching.